Hi guys, I'm Shafi. I hope all of you are doing well, and today's video going to be about grammar. English is the most attractive language, so as Urdu. It may take a time for learning, for understanding English, especially for beginner student. Obviously, beginner student can be motivated when they have keen of learning English, but most of the time they are compelled to leave learning of English. And English is as much alright to speak as there, because English is spoken in over 100 countries and there are 1.5 billion native speakers in the worldwide. So the summarize of my conversation is we need to learn English properly. We have to learn English properly. So let's come to our topic which have been selected by us. As I have said in previous video, that which thing as necessitated required to learn and grammar. First of all, in really time students are unable to communicate because they take stress in grammar. They have grammatical mistake. Therefore, they cannot speak properly. So I request you not to be confused, because it will be the piece of cake to fix grammatical mistake. For that, you need to watch my video till the end in order to acquire vocabularies, in order to acquire ideas from my video. Let me start. And which thing is in which thing I necessary to learn in grammar? First of all, that is parts of speech. That is why every teacher teaches parts of speech, because parts of speech is the basic of English. Some teachers said that parts of speech is not necessary for learning English. That is too wrong. First of all, we need to learn parts of speech, and like noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, conjection, interjection, preposition, articles. All of these are parts of speech. This means these all of are the parts of speech. If you have not talented and these are, you cannot speak properly. So please, first of all, you focus on parts of speech, then you can go forward easily. So let me explain the second thing which is necessary to learn in grammar. The second thing which is necessary to learn in grammar is tenses. And remember, tenses give the structure to the language. If your structure is weak, your language will be weak. And tenses are the conversation, the repetition of English. If you are unable to use tenses in your English, you cannot learn English properly. So please, on the second right, you have to learn tenses like present, past, future. As well as in Urdu, we need to learn three tenses like mazi, hal, mustaqbil. Therefore, I force you to learn tenses properly. And how can you learn tenses? Inshallah, for that I will make the best video. So please, you will have to watch that as well. Let me explain the third thing which is necessary to learn and grammar. That is active voice, passive voice. Active voice, passive voice. If you want to beautify your English, you have to learn active voice, passive voice. Most of the time teachers are using active voice. They do not use passive voice. Therefore, people do not focus on their English, on their speaking, on their conversation. So please, if you want to beautify, if you want to boost your English, you have to learn active voice, passive voice. Let me explain the fourth one which is necessary to learn and grammar. The fourth one is direct speech and direct speech. All direct speech and direct speech is when a direct speech, inshallah I will define that as well in next video. What is direct speech, what is indirect speech? First of all, you need to understand the formula of direct speech, indirect speech. When you want to convert the words, the conversation of other, you have to use these two ways. The first way is direct speech and the second way is indirect speech. Let me explain the fifth thing which is necessary, which is need to learn in grammar. That is conditional tenses. past, present, future. Most of the time, people are not focusing on these are, like if I was student, I would do like this, yeah. If I had money, I would do like this, yeah. And if you are using, for future, if I have money, I will do this. So these are, conditional tenses. So please, if you focus on grammar on all of these five things, then inshallah you will be speaking fluently. Exactly, you will be speaking fluently. So please focus on all of these. Are the first thing is, that grammar. The second thing is, that tenses, active wise, passive wise, direct speech, indirect speech, conditional tenses. Despite of these things, you cannot learn English. So please, if you have liked my video, don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.